Hi Sonal ma'am, I've made you the host. And the class is streaming live, so you can start when you're ready.
All right, Natasha. Thank you. Hi, people. Good morning, good afternoon, greetings of the day. Tasnia, long time, I guess. Okay. So, were you able to practice something yesterday? All of you? Anybody? Has anybody practiced yesterday? Or no? Pranajiva. And who else? Now everyone is joining. Sandal, you practiced? Awesome. Surjo? Alex, did you practice yesterday? Some of the questions? Ashok Kumar, long time. You missed the class. Yeah, you missed the class, right, Ashok? Yesterday you were not there. Hi, Shaheen. Okay, we'll just wait for another 2 minutes and then let's start. Hello, Nitesh. Hi, Shakib. Hi, Anupa. Hello, Memory, Guabela. Hi, RK. Yesterday you were not there, RK. I was talking about some questions which I have sent to me. So we will discuss all those questions. Don't worry. We have one class assigned for that. So in case of recap, we'll do that. All right, whatever questions you have sent, we will consider similar type of question. Hello, Mukund. So let's wait for another 2 minutes more. Hi, Sushmita. So that people, those who are facing some network issue will get sorted out. All right. WhatsApp line. You send me the. So are you there, Memory? Memory, are you there on that WhatsApp group? Good afternoon, Son Binay. Good afternoon, Rahul. Oh yeah, somebody shared the question I did not see. In a family, I'll do one thing. Let's solve this question, people. Meanwhile, everyone is waiting. We'll do one thing. Let's solve this question. So how will you send it to me then, Memory? All right. 1 minute, people. Okay. All right. So everyone joined almost, and meanwhile others are joining. We'll do. Can you see the screen? Can you see the screen? Yes, no, yes. Okay, awesome. Fine. So I'll zoom it so that you can see it better. Fine. So this is one of the questions sent by RK. Let's solve this question meanwhile. Try, people. Hello, Kenny. Okay, so anyone answer for this question? Take your time. Take your 1 minute and then we'll do it. Nothing like that, Hari. You were the first one who messaged me. Good afternoon, Hari. Okay, anybody got the answer? I think on YouTube the things are not so clearly visible, right? Am I audible, people? Can you reply yes or no? Okay, I am audible. All right. So, can you hear some background sound from my side, people, today? Yeah, I'm sorry for that. The answer is C. Sivalam, we are just solving one question because we have just to solve, we have solved similar type of question. Answer is C. Okay, so people, today you have to adjust little for a while because if I'll change my place, what will happen? What will happen? Like system network will not be there properly, and there is some shifting thing going on in my house, so that's why. All right. So would that be okay? And then there is one little kiddo, but he's not at all little. He's like in Hindi we say chota packet bada dhamaka. He's like that. Okay. Okay. So all right. I am really sorry for people those who did not understand, but I couldn't understand but I couldn't get the translation properly. Okay. So hi Roshni, good to see you on Zoom. Fine. So let's look at this one. In a family, there are 7 people comprising 2 married couple. T is the son of M. Oh, you understood Flywell. Awesome. Nice. Cool. So T is the son of M. T, first of all, we'll just write out the things. T is the son of M. We don't know who is M. And the grandson of K. So I don't know whether M is husband or wife, but grandson of K. So someone would be the here. M is widower. Widower. It means that M is male, right? M is male. Widow and widower. Widow is female and widower is male. So it means that K's son is M and M's son is T. M and R are brothers. M and R are brothers. And W is the daughter-in-law of J. Who is the mother of R? So who is the mother of R? Who is mother of R? J. sorry, W is the daughter-in-law of J, who is the mother of R. So J will be mother of R. It means that K and J would have been a married couple. Mother, it means that K would have been father. And R are brothers, it means this is brother. And W is daughter-in-law of J. That's it. And the grandmother of D. So J is, they are just still talking about J. J is grandmother to D. D. And J is grandmother of D. Okay. So D should be somewhere here. All right. So RK, what was the confusion in this one? Fine, people. So D could be here. How is D related to M? Now here we need to go with the option. This is R and. It is, wonder it is R and end. R and, who is mother of R and the grandmother of D. Okay. How is D related to M? How is D related to M? It can be son, cannot be son. It is not son-in-law. Nephew or niece possible. It cannot be brother. All right. The answer is actually, oh, okay. How many of you have got confusion in this one? Because the things are not clearly mentioned in this one. T is the son of M and the grandson of K. The combinations confused you. Okay. M is a widower, M and R brothers, and W is the daughter-in-law of J, who is the mother of R and the grandmother of D. Now, people, what you are doing, you're assuming here, you are assuming here that D is son or daughter of R or W, right? So, okay, W is the daughter-in-law of J, who is the mother of R and the grandmother of D. So J is mother of R and it is space. R and it is like this. R and the grandmother of D. So who is mother of R? J. Who is grandmother of D? J. But now how is D related to M? D could be, if D is here, right? If D is son or daughter of M, still J would be grandmother of D. How many of you agree with this? Those who are attending it regularly, those who have attended, what is that? Blood relations. How many of you agree with that? If D is son of M, it could be J is still grandmother of D. All right. So the answer is either A or C. Either A or C. All right. So the question is not proper. If you consider question proper, then options are not proper. I hope everyone agrees with me. If anyone has disagreement, let me know. We cannot just go ahead like this. M and R brothers and W is the daughter-in-law of J, who is the mother of R and the grandmother of D. So Mukund, that's what I'm saying. That if you consider D here, right, instead of this part, don't you think so? Still, D's father is an M and M's mother is J. So still J is grandmother of D. This is also one of the possible. So in that case, your answer will be A, Mukund. And if you are writing it here, D, I don't know the gender of D. So it could be nephew or niece. Okay, I agree. Right. People, answer will be nephew or niece. But it could be son or daughter also. Okay, I'll tell you. Correct, you pray that. Fine. So here, RK, this was your question, right? So yes, answer will be nephew or niece. Why we are coming to this conclusion now? If we are taking it D here, if we are taking D here, still I don't know the gender of D, so it could be son or daughter. I hope you're getting my point. Right? So as D's gender is not clear, so it could be son or daughter. Had it been given son or daughter, then two possible answers would have been there, either A or C. But as they have given only son, so we cannot say that D is son only. So that's why this option will also get eliminated. That's why the answer will be either nephew or niece. How many of you want me to repeat? I'll repeat quickly if anybody wants me to. I'll draw it again. Anybody? All right, I'm repeating. Let's look at this question again. So I'm erasing all the part. I'm erasing all the part. Today my pen tab is working fine. So yesterday it wasn't working, that's why. And I'm so thankful to you people that you adjusted. Okay, I'm repeating Sushmita, I'm repeating Anupa. Focus. So first thing, this is R and. All right, there is space here. Fine. So take it that way. There is space here. Now, another thing. In a family, there are 7 people comprising 2 married couple. T is the son of M. T is the son of M and the grandson of K. So I'll come to this point later. M is a widower. M is a widower. It means that M is male and T is grandson of K. Grandson of K, it means that T's father's father or mother is K. As of now, I'm not clear with the gender of K. Is that clear so far? Is that clear so far? Done? Done so far? Everyone? Okay. Now, let's move ahead. M is a widower. M and R are brothers. M and R are brothers. And W is the daughter-in-law of J, who is the mother of R. So W is daughter-in-law of J. It means that J's son, wife is W, right? Who is the mother of R? So this lady is mother of R. It means that R's wife is W and R's mother is, who is the mother of R? So from here we are getting the gender of J clearly. It means that K has to be male and they both are husband and wife. It means that W is female because she is daughter-in-law and they are both husband and wife. Fine. And J is grandmother of D. So J is grandmother of D. Now coming to the option. So D can be here or D can be here. Or, I'm saying or. Is that clear so far? Is that clear so far? Yes, no. Clear. Now, do we know the gender of D? Do we know the gender of D? Yes or no? Do they have mentioned anywhere the gender of D? No. It means that it cannot be son. It cannot be son. It is not son-in-law also. It is not brother also. Hence the answer is nephew or niece from the option. All right, RK. This was your question. I hope it is clear. All of you got it now? Clear or not clear? Got it? Okay, so let's move to the questions which we were discussing yesterday. Okay, so let's start with this one. You remember yesterday we have solved a few questions. We have seen one thing, it's like M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. One way we have seen this one, how to solve this type of question, right? Whatever is being given, directly substitute it, right? What was another one? Another one was like taking LCM if A is doing some work in 5 days and if B is doing some work in 10 days. We will take the LCM days, and then we take the LCM of 5 and 10, or whatever the number given to us, we will take the LCM of those. And then let's see how many units are they doing in one day. So A is doing 2 units per day, B is doing 1 unit per day. So they are doing 3 units in one day. Total 10 units they will do it in how many days? So the answer will be 10 by 3. And we have solved similar type of question. Okay. So let's start with this one today. Let me see. Hi, Felix. Okay, I'll give you a hint with this. Here, how many people are working in the beginning? If I want to, what should I use? I will use M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2. Now T is given also in terms of what? Days and hours. So I'll take this as M1 D1 H1 E1 if it is there. If it is not there, I'll ignore. Is equal to M2 D2 H2 E2 upon W2. Right, Raj? Okay. So now what is the value of M1? Like many people said, it is 4, right? This is 4. M1 value is 4. What is D1 value? What is D1 value? Can anyone type in what is D1 value? 3 days. So 3 days working for how many hours? 7 hours. They have mentioned that the efficiency of each of the plumbers is same. So they are working with same efficiency. So we will ignore this as of now. I hope it's getting clear to everyone. They are working with same efficiency. So let's not take this. Let's not take this. Okay. Now what should be the W1? Can anyone tell me? What should be W1? W1 will be 168. 4 plumbers had to repair 364 taps. They had to repair 364 taps. They have to, that's their total work, right? At the end of 3 days, working 7 hours per day, they had repaired 168 taps. So this will be 168. Now, in order to speed up the work, 3 more plumbers were added. So how many, what should be the value of M2 now? 3 more plumbers were added. So what should be the value of M2? 7, right? 3 more plumbers were added. They're working for how many days? That's the question asked. And additional how many days? So this I need to calculate. Working for how many hours per day? They are also working how many hours per day? 7 hours only. So this will be 7 only. Now what should be W2? In order to speed up the work, 3 more plumbers were added who also work 7 hours daily. If the efficiency of each of the plumber is same, how many additional days would it take to complete the task? All right. So absolutely, Tamara, right. So how many taps they were supposed to repair? 364. Out of 364, very good, RK, very good, Nyambe. So out of 364, 168 is already repaired. 168 got repaired. By who? By four plumbers. So what are remaining? Remaining would be what? 364 minus 168. 364 minus 168 will give you 196. All of you understood so far? All of you got it? Yes, no? Yes. So let's cancel this 7, 7, right? 7, 1 and 5 will be remainder 18. 7, 1, sorry, 7, 2, 14 and 5, 7, 28. So 4 7s are 4, 42. 7, 1, 7, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2. 2, 1, 2, 2. Your answer is equal to what? 2 days. Answer is 2 days. How many of you want me to repeat? Let me know. 2 days is the answer. Yes, Roshni. Awesome. Good, Roshni. You came on YouTube, Zoom today. Sushmita, is that clear? Flywell. Jennifer, is Jennifer there today? Jennifer is not there. Srijita, understood? Tasnia, Wonder, equation again. So Sheikh, what we are doing, okay, Prudence, fine. I'll repeat. Prudence, maybe you were not there yesterday. That's why you might be finding it. Kindly hit on substitution. So this is D1 at the end of 3 days. This is D1. This is H1, right? They have repaired 168 taps, so this will be W1. In order to speed up the work, 3 more plumbers. So earlier there were 4 plumbers. So M2 will be equal to M1 plus 3. That is 4 plus 3. I'm getting too much into equation now. So M2 is equal to 7 plumbers now. 3 more plumbers were added. It means that total number of plumbers will become 7 and also worked 7 hours. This will be your H2. If the efficiency of each of the plumber is same, how many additional would it take to complete the task? When I look at this one, I have M1, D1, H1, W1. I have M2, H2, D2 is the question mark because they are asking how many additional days. So D2 is question mark. Now I need W2 also because 2 unknowns cannot be there. It has to be 1 unknown. So I need to think about W2. So they were supposed to repair 364 taps. They were supposed to repair 364 taps. Out of 364, 168 was done by this 4 plumber. So out of 364, 168 got repaired. So what are remaining one? 364 minus 168, that is 196. How many plumbers will do? 7 plumbers. In how many days? I don't know. For how many hours they are working? They are working 7 hours. 7 plumbers. So just substitute here. 7 plumbers, days I don't know, 7 hours they are working. And what is the remaining work? That is 196. All right. If anybody wants me to cancel it again, let me do that. So what I'm doing, this is 4 into 3 into 7 by 168 is equal to 7 into D2 into 7 by 196. I cancelled, sorry, not I cancelled this. I cancelled this 7, 7. Now I cancel this 7, 2, 4, 14, 5 is the remainder, 28. 4, 7, 28, 4, 4, 16, 4, 2, 8. 7, 1, 7, 6, 3, 1, 3, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2. So final answer is 2. Is that clear now? Ghina Nadifa. Is that clear? Clear? Okay. All right. Fine, students. Students, you should go to this yesterday's class. All right. Try to look for yesterday's class. You'll understand. Kenny, I think you are also new. Fine. How would be the answer this one? Now we are practicing for the question which we have learned yesterday, or the topic which we have learned yesterday. Yes, Kenny, I can make it out that you are new. Just follow the language of the question, people. I'm sure you will get it. Try. Awesome, Raj. Aisha Gupta. I think we have completed 2-3 topics in logical part. Blood relations, logical series, and direction test. This all we have completed, Aisha. You can go through YouTube. Awesome, Nyambe. So shall I explain now? Shall we discuss? Yes, Rabin. So A and B together can complete a work in 12 days. A alone can do it in 20 days. So I don't know as of now B is taking how many days, right? So A, B and A and B. So A is doing it in how many days? 20 days if he is working alone. A and B are doing it in 12 days. B is I don't know as of now. So 20 and 12. What is the LCM of 20 and 12? LCM of 20 and 12 is 60, right? So if this is 60, this will be 3 unit per day. This I don't know. And this will be 5 unit per day. So what should be the value of B? If 3 plus B is equal to 5, so what should be the value of B? Come on, what should be the value of B? 2. 2 units in a day. All right. Now let's look at the question. If B does the work only half a day daily, so if B is doing 2 units in one day, so in half day B will do how many units? If B is doing 2 units in one day, so in half day B will do how many unit? 1 unit, right? So B is 1 unit we need to take, and A is doing how many units in a day? 3 unit, because A is working from the beginning till the end. I mean, like, there is nothing like A is working only for half day or like that. So A is doing 2 units, B will be working for half day, that's why 1 unit. So they are doing 4 units in one day. If they're doing 4 units in one day, they have to finish 60 units in how many days? So the answer is x is equal to 60 by 4. Answer is 15. Yes, answer is 15 days. Awesome. I hope it's clear to people. Tanu, is that clear? Sushmita, is question clear now? Raj, Esther, clear? Flywell, Patricia is there or not? Ashok, Alex, David, understanding today? Okay, David and Alex, can I see reply from you people also? Tasnia, awesome. Anindya. Understood, Anindya? Got it? Okay. See, David, what we are doing, yesterday we saw the same thing. A is taking 20 days to finish a work, and when A and B together they are taking 12 days to finish the work. I took LCM of 20 and 12, I got 60. Based on the 60 total unit, I will be seeing how many units will A do in a day. So I'll divide 60 by 20, I'll get 3 units. I'll divide 60 by 12, it will be 5 units. So let's say David and Sonal are working together. David is doing 3 units. David and Sonal are doing 5 units. It means that Sonal would be doing 2 units, because together they are doing 5 units. Now, if Sonal is doing 2 units in a day, 60 units, Sonal will do it in 30 days, but that's not the question. Question is, if B does the work only for half a day. So if B is doing 2 unit in one day, if B is doing 2 unit in one day, it means that 1 unit in half day. So if they are working together, but B does only work for half day, so B will be doing 1 unit and A would be doing 3 units. So 3 plus 1, 4 units in one day, 60 unit in how many day? That is 60 by 4. Okay. I hope it is clear, David. If it is not, let me know. Okay. Try this one, people. Yeah. Let's try this one. Anybody got the answer? Sushmita, I hope you understood it now. .5, Rahul is saying 8. Okay, so the number of days required by A, B, and C to work individually. So A, B, C, 6, 12, and 8. LCM is what? What is the LCM of 6, 8, and 12? What is the LCM of 6, 8, and 12? 24, right? So if this is 24, this will be 4 unit in a day, this will be 2 unit in a day, and this will be 3 units in a day. Now they started a work doing it alternative with A starting first followed by B and C. It means that if I say first, second, third, it is A, then second day only B is working, then on third day only C is working. Then again it is on fourth, fifth, sixth day. Fourth day who will work? A will work, right? Or let me write it this way. On fourth day, again A will work, fifth day B will work, sixth day C will work. Then 7, 8, 9, and so on. We need to see now. So now in 3 days, can we say in 3 days, how many work will get over? Answer is 8, I guess. Yeah. In 3 days, how many units will get over? 4 plus 2 plus 3. So 4 plus 2 plus 3. A will do on first day, B will do on second day, 3 will do on third day, right? So it means that 9 units are getting done in 3 days. In 3 days, 9 units got done. How many are the total units we have? 24. So can I say 9 into 3? Can I multiply 3 here? This will give me 27. Can I do that? Can I do that? Yes, anyone? Can I do this? 9 into 3, 27? No. Why? Because we have total 24 only. We have total unit as 24. So now what we do, we will take, listen to this carefully, whenever you have alternate types of question. So what we do, we will take a number which is closer to multiple of 9 but less than 24. I repeat. Okay, so Rajan, I'll come to that. 1 minute. Why you are making mistake, I'll do that. I'll tell you. So what we need to do, okay, so like I will go with this. In 3 days, 9 units, 24 units in how many days? If somebody is doing like this, 24 units in how many days? So you will get 24 into 3 by 9 is equal to X, 31333138, right? Is that the case? 38. But this is wrong way of doing. All right. If answer matches by this, that's purely coincident, because I'll show you one more question we have similar type. So I'll repeat. If you are doing in this way, 3 days, 9 units, 24 units in how many days? That's purely coincidence that you are getting the right answer. But let's see what will be the right way of doing it. People look at this once. 3 days, 9 units, 6 days, it would be 18 units, right? Yes or no? 7th day, who will work? 7th day, who will work? 7th day, who will work? A, B, C. Who will work on 7th day? A is working on 7th day. A will do how many units on 7th day? 4 units. How many units got over so far? 18 plus 4, 22 units got over so far. All right. 8th day, who will work? 8th day, who will work? eighth day who will work? It is B. And B will do how many units? 2 units. It means that another 2 units. 24 units got done. 24 units got done in how many days? 6, 7, 8. So answer is 8 days. Okay. I repeat, though I know that yes, answer was 8. If we are going with this method, it's purely coincidence. I repeat, it's purely coincidence. Okay, I'll tell you why. We will see one more similar question, you will understand. How many of you have confusion in this? I'll quickly repeat. Yeah, if you have done the same method, yes, that's right. So 1, 2, 3. In 3 days, they are doing 9 units. It means that in 6 days, they will do 18 units. Okay, Sandli, is this part clear? 3 days, 9 units. Is that question clear? In 3 days, that is in first, second, and third day. Tell me, Mukund, what is not understanding? Okay, let's look at the question in this way. So is this part clear that first day only A is working, second day only B is working, third day only C is working? Is this part clear, Mukund? Quickly. Mukund. Yeah. Fourth day, can you tell me who will work, Mukund? Fourth day, who will work? Quickly, Mukund. Fourth day, who will work? First, second, third, A, B, C. So fourth day, it is B working. Fourth day A is working. Fifth day B is working. Sixth day C is working. Seventh day A will work. Eighth day B will work. Ninth day C will work, and so on. All right. So I did this. I got 24 as the LCM of 6, 12, 8, 24. LCM is 24. I got A is doing 4 units in a day, B is doing 2 units in a day, and C is doing 3 units in a day. All right. Now, if I say A, B, C together, A, B, C together, they have done how many units in a day? A, B, C, they have done how many units? In 3 days, they are doing 9 units. So if in 3 days they are doing 9 units, 6 days they will do 18 units. Now 7th day, who will work? A will work. A will do how many units? Another 4 units. And on 8th day, B will work. So B will do another 2 units. So if you see 18 plus 4, 22 plus 2, 24. 24 units got done. It means that how many days it has taken? It has taken 8 days. Is that clear, Mukund, now? Sandali, is that clear? Is that clear? Can you reply quickly? Others are also waiting. Yes. Okay. So we will solve one similar question. Let me look at the question. It's at the end somewhere. Yeah. This is the question. Try. Sushmita, I hope it's clear. Anupa, memory. Very clear. Awesome. Okay. Try this one. Few quickly things. Fatima and Zahira. Fatima can do 12 days. 15, 12, 15 LCM is 60. So this will give you 5 units per day. This will give 4 units per day. Who had started the work? Who is starting the work? Who is starting the work? Fatima or Zahira? Who is starting the work? Fatima or Zahira? Fatima. So can I say first day, second day? Fatima, Zahira. So 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on, 11, 12, and so on. So all odd number of days Fatima is working and all even number of days Zahira is working. Yes or no? Right? Now give a try. Okay, Rahul. Okay, that's correct. Okay. So in 2 days, how many work is getting done? Can anyone tell me? In 2 days, how many work is getting done? Okay, Robin. How about others? Right. So first and second day, in 2 days, it is 9 unit. That is 5 plus 4. Fatima started the work. So 5 plus 4, that is 9 units. So 9 units in how many days? 2 days. Now look at this way. If you do in this way, 2 days, 9 units, 60 units in how many days? You will get 60 into 2 by 9. That is 20 by 3 and 40 by 3. Now you see there is no option by 3 anywhere. And 40 by 3 is not 15. So it means that this method is not correct. Now you will understand why it is not correct. In 2 days, it is 9 units. All right. Now think of a number, I repeat, think of a number which is less than 60 and is multiple of 9. Yes, Rajan, that's correct. Robin, that's correct. Surujo, that's correct. Yeah. Think of a number which is multiple of 9 but less than 60 or close to 60. 56, right? So like multiplying by 8 will give you 56. Sorry. 54, not 56, 54. 9 into 6 is 54. 9 into 6, right? Yeah. So 2 into 6 will give you what? 12 days. So in 12 days, they are doing 54 units. Is that clear so far? Is that clear so far? Even people on YouTube, is that clear? 54. I wrote 54, I wrote 56, everyone is 56. Is that clear? Now in 12 days, they are doing 54 units. How many units are there? 60 units. So it means that on 13th day, who will work? On 13th day, who will work? Fatima, right? Fatima will do how many units? 5 units, right? How many units got over so far? 59 units. 59 units got over. How many units are remaining? 1 unit. Who will do this 1 unit? Zahira. Zahira will do 1 unit. So what is Zahira's working rate? 4 unit in 1 day. 4 unit in 1 day. It means that 1 unit in 1/4 of the day. All right. It means that this 1 unit will be done by Zahira in 1/4 day. All of you got it? So how many days over? 13 plus 1 by 4. 13 plus 1 by 4 is 14, 13, 52 plus 1, 53 by 4. So the answer is 53 by 4. Many of you got it? Awesome. I hope it's clear now. Though this particular question will not come. It will come in an easy way, like A, B, C we have solved, direct to type of questions. But this is just a way of doing it. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, no? Quickly, can you reply? Yeah. Wonder, David, Emmanuel, Sandagri, Emmanuel, old Emmanuel, new Emmanuel, Segulim. Okay. Emmanuel Manyepa is new. Last equation. Sheikh, you have only problem in last equation. What happened? Okay, Sheikh Hasnat. 12 day, 2 days, 9 units. So we will look at a number which is close to multiple of 9 but less than 60. So 54. 54 units will be in 12 days. All right. So 12 days, 54 units got over. On 13th day, Fatima will work and Fatima will do 5 units. So 59 units got over. Right? 54 plus 5, 59 units. Now only 1 unit is remaining. Out of 60 units, only 1 unit is remaining. Who will do? Zahira. Zahira do 4 unit in 1 day, 1 unit in 1/4 of the day. Okay. Now consider how did you come up with 1/4. If I talk about Zahira memory, if I talk about Zahira, Zahira is doing 4 units in 1 day. So 1 unit in 1/4 of the day. Right. So Zahira would be doing this. This will become 60 now. Zahira would be doing this 1 unit in 1/4 of the day. Okay. All right. So Kajol, yeah, this is the easiest method I've found so far. If you look at in a logical way, right, the question is not difficult at all. But if you will look it as a actual question wise, then yeah, because of the so many methods, it's making a like, oh my God, this lengthy question. But if you see, it's very logical going. We know that 60 units, if they are working together, it means that they will do 9 units. 9 units in 2 days, it means that 54 units they will do in 12 days. Now, remaining 6 units, it means that 5 more units will get done by Fatima on 13th day. Now, only 1 unit is remaining. Who will do this 1 unit? Zahira. Zahira will do this 1 unit, but what is Zahira's working capacity? 4 unit in 1 day. It means that 1 unit in 1/4 of the day. It means awesome. 13 and 1/4 of the day. 13 plus 1/4, 53/4. I hope it's clear, people. Kazol, I hope it's clear now. Yes? Okay. Fine. All right, try this question. There is an efficiency now. 50% faster. Emmanuel, check again. Fly will check again. Raj, check again. Okay, I'll tell you people what somewhere you're making a mistake here. So, yes, Pranajiva. So we will use this M1 T1 E1 upon W1 is equal to M2 T2 E2 upon W2, right? So M1 value is 1 because Arjun is 1 person. T1 value is 2 days, right? E1 value, I'll come to that, 1/6 of a work. 1/6 of a work, it means that W1 value is 1/6. Anyone has a confusion so far? Is that clear so far? Is that clear so far? Yes, no, yes, yes, clear. Okay, Tamara. All right. Now, Hari Prasad, where are you? Long time no answer. Okay, now M2. What will be the value of M2? Can anyone tell me? What will be the value of M2? How many person is Arjun still? 1%, right? So M2 value will be 1. T2 we need to calculate in how many days. So that means we need to calculate T2. If it now works 50% faster, 50% faster with respect to what? With respect to the older one, right? 50% faster with respect to older one, right? It means that if I take E1 as 100, so E2 has to be what? If I take E1 as 100, what does E2 has to be? 50% faster. If I take older one as 100, so E2 has to be 150. Now, out of 6 part, 1 part is over. Can you finish the remaining work? What is the remaining work? What would be the remaining work? 5 by 6. Yes, because out of 6, 1 part is done. So remaining part is 5. So this 6 will get cancelled. 5, 1, 5, 30. 3, 0 will get cancelled. 20 by 3. 20 by 3 is equal to T2. T2 is equal to 62 by 3. Okay, hence C is the answer. Yes, many of you got it, right? Safia Afreen, yes, that's right answer. Kyalo, that's correct. And here people have answered. Pranajiva, that's correct. Is that clear, people? Did you understand? Simple one? Clear? Okay, how about others? Yes, okay, so far so good. Awesome, Rajan. Okay, cool. On T2. So T2 we need to calculate flywheel. Okay, Jennifer, is that clear? Vivek, Ashok, Michelle, Miriam, Oridan. All right. Okay. All right. Srijita Das done. Fine. Okay, we'll move to the next one then. Okay. Now I want you to go for another type of question. Go for this. Read the question and then I'll tell you. You will get the answer for this one also. Natasha, very simple. Natasha, I was just substituting the value. The only challenging part in that question was 50% faster. If he now works 50% faster. So it means that with respect to the previous one, we need to take efficiency. Earlier he was working with 100%. Now he would be working 150%. Okay. I think you will get it. Once you will go back, you will understand. Use logical method, that is LCM method. You will get the answer. Just to see who is working for how many days. What is the LCM of 24, 9 and 12? What is the largest number amongst them? What is the largest number amongst 24, 9 and 12? 24, right? So 24 is not divisible by 9. 24 into 2. 48 is also not divisible by 9. 24 into 3, 72. It is divisible by 9 also. So 72 will be the LCM. So A would be doing 3 units in a day. B would be doing 8 units in a day. And C would be doing 6 units in a day. 10 is the answer. Okay. All right. Awesome. So now B and C start the work, but are forced to leave after 3 days. So they have done 14 units in 1 day. So in 3 days, they would have done how many units? 42 units. Awesome. Yes. 42 units are done by who? By B and C. What were the total number of units? 72 units. If 72 units are there in all, 42 is done by B and C. It means that A will do how many units? 30 units. A has to do this 30 units, and the remaining work was done by A. What is A's working rate? 3 units in 1 day. So 30 units in 10 days. So the answer is 10 days. Yes, answer is 10 days. Got it, Rajan? I hope it's clear now. Yeah, clear to everyone? Anupa, Sushmita, Natasha, Tanu, Afreen, Kialo. Got it, people? Shall I move on? Yes? Okay, awesome. Fine. Leaves after 2 days and Venkat leaves 3 days before the work is completed. But Raj leaves after 2 days. 1 minute. Let me see one more question if I get left 8 days before with the help of C. Okay, people, I want you to write down one question. I'll see, because here it was only A, B, and C. So let's say this one. So A, B, and C, right? A, B, and C. A can do some work in 10 days. B can do some work in 20 days. And C can do some work in 30 days. So what is the LCM? LCM will be 60. So this is 6 unit per day. This is 3 unit per day. And this is 2 units per day. Fine. Now the question is, if A, B, and C started working together, but 1 minute, I'm just framing the question. A, B, and C have started working together. Okay. But okay, there would be some problem. The answer could not be the correct one, but it's okay. We are understanding the concept. But B left after 2 days, or make it as 3 days. B left after 3 days, 4 days will do it. And C left after 5 days. They started working together, but B left after 4 days and C left after 5 days. So 2 questions. Question number 1. How many days work last? How many days work last? Right? Question 2. How many days A worked alone? Okay, it's okay if the answer are not good. That's okay. Okay, so Afrin, I'll try to write it clearly. Can you hear me, people? I'm sorry. Yeah, there was a technical glitch at my end. Can you hear me? Yes? Okay. So where were we? Where were we? We were solving which question? Is this we have solved? This we have solved, right? One question I gave you. This one we were solving. Yeah. All right. So, Frin, you don't have to be sorry. It's okay. So, answer is bad. I think 6 1 by 3 days. Yes, the answer is bad. It's okay. But let's look at how to do it. So, we got to know that B left after 4 days. It means that B would have worked for 12 units and C left after 5 days. It means that 2 into 5 is giving you 10. So 12 plus 10, 22 units got done by B and C. By B and C in how many days? In how many days? 5 days overall. All right, don't count 5 plus 4. Right? So if we talk about A, out of 60, 22 is done by B and C. So remaining 38, right? 38 is done by A. Now A is doing 6 units in 1 day. So 38 units will be in how many days? 38 by 6. 38 by 6, your answer will be 6. 2 by 6, that is 6 1 by 3. Did you understand? 6 1 by 3. Did you understand so far, people? 6 1 by 3, yes, Vivek. 6.33, Robin. Myate, I think you have wrote here and there. 16 by 3, it is 38 by 3, which is, yeah, 3 6 18 plus 1 19 by 3. So look at this way. B is working, B left after 4 days. It means that in 4 days, B would have done 12 units. And C left after how many days? C left after how many days? 5 days. So in 5 days, C would have done 10 units. Is that clear, Michelle? Is that clear? Michelle, Michael, I'm sorry. Done. So out of 60, 22 units are done by B and C. It means that remaining units, 60 minus 22 units, 38 units will be, Tamara, what is not getting clear? B left after how many days? 4 days. So 3 units in 1 day B is doing. It means that in 4 days, B will do 12 units. Is that part clear, Tamara? Yes or no? Right? Now C is left after how many days? 5 days. It means that in 5 days, C would have done 5 into 2, 10 units. So together they have done how many units? 22 units. 1 minute, I'm coming to that, Michelle. I'm coming to that. Okay. So this is done. B and C are doing 22 units. Remaining 38 units is done by A. Right? So 6 units, if I talk about A, 6 units in 1 day. So 38 units in how many days? 38 units in 38 by 6, 6 2 by 6 will give you 6 1 by 3 days. Is that clear so far? Yes or no? Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A, A. B, 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 B. C, 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 C. All right. After 4 days, B left. So B is not working. And on 6th day, even C is not working. So who is working? Only A. And then on 1/3 of the day, again, only A is working. Now again, C is not working. So total, how many days the work last? Work last is for 6 1 by 3 days. Now the question is, how many days A worked alone? A worked alone for this day and 1/3 day. So 1/3 day. Yes, many people got the same answer. Is concept getting clear? Yes or no? Okay, I'll tell you the easier way. Do this question in this way. So 1 day work of A is 1/10. 1 day work of B is 1 by, what is that? I cannot see. The work lasts for how many days? For whatever the number of days A is working, because A is working from the beginning till the end. Nyambe. 1 day work of B will be 1/20, and 1 day. Listen, people, this one comes easy. This question becomes easy. Do it in this way. Forget about this entire story. And C's 1 day work is 1/30. Now, do we know how many days is A working? Do we know how many days is A working from the beginning till then? Do we know? Yes, no. Come on, you can hear me, right? People, can you hear me? Yes. So, uh, all right, now you can hear maybe. So, do we know how many days A had worked? We don't know. So, we will take it as A/10. Now, B worked for how many days? 4 days. So, 4/20. And C worked for how many days? 5 days. And the work gets completed. That's why it is equal to 1. All right. When you solve this equation, 1/5, and this is 1/6. If you solve this equation, A/10 is equal to 1 minus 1/5 minus 1/6. 5 and 6 LCM is 30. So this is 30 minus 6 minus 5. 30 minus 6 is 24, minus 5 is 19. 19/3 you will get. This you will get 19/30. So I'll just write it here. A/10 is equal to 19/30, which means that A is taking 19/3 days. 19/3 means what? Same 6 1/3, 3 6 18 plus 1/3. Did you understand now? Yes. Do this way. Use this method. All right. Use this method. Whenever the question is about left this many days or left before this many days, use this method. Forget about the other method. All right. Michelle, you're not understanding. Fine, let me go ahead quickly. So my question was, A can do some work in 10 days, quickly people. B can do some work in 20 days. C can do some work in how many days? 30 days. But A, B, and C, this comma should not come, started together. B left after how many days? 4 days. C left after 5 days. Question, how many days work last? How many total days A worked? How many total days A worked or how many days work last? Both will be same. How many total days A worked? Right? How many days A worked alone? A worked alone. So I'll take their 1 day work. Their 1 day work of A is what? 1 day work of A is what? 1/10. 1 day work of B is what? 1/20. 1 day work of C is what? 1/30. If they're working together, it will be like this. Now I'll see for if, understand this, if B's 1 day work is 1/20, so 4 day work will be what? 4/20, right? So B left after 4 days, it means that I'll write it 4 here. C left after 5 days, it means that 5/30. A, I don't know, so I'll say A is working from the beginning till the end. And now the work gets completed. Whenever the work is getting completed, it means that we will equate it to 1. Is that clear now? Yes or no? Yes? All right, just solve this equation. When you solve this equation, you will get A is equal to 19 by 3. 19 by 3 is 61 by 3. Now, if they are asking you how many days A worked alone, subtract the maximum part, because if I see first, second, third, fourth, fifth, so till fifth day A and C were working. From sixth day onwards, A is working alone. So from 6, 1 by 3, subtract this, subtract minus 5. So you will get 1, 1 by 3. Okay. I hope it is clear now. Yes, clear now. All right, we'll move to the next question. All right, can you try this? So I'll just tell you quickly. Raj can do a piece of work, Venkat, Ravi. They all start the work together. So like whenever it is leave and 3 days before leaving, or before or after, leave before or after. If they are giving anything after leave, before leave, what we will do, we will use 1 day method work, 1 day work method. So 1 by 10, 1 by 12, 1 by 15. Now, they all started the work together, but Raj leaves after 2 days. Who is Raj? First person. So this is for Raj, this is Venkat, and this is Ravi. So Raj left after 2 days. So what should I write here? What should I write at this place? What should I write at this place? Leave after 2 days. It means that he had worked only for 2 days, right, Skyvel? All of you agree? Right? Now, Venkat leave 3 days before the work is completed. Now, people understand. 3 days before the work is completed. Who is completing the work? Who is there from the beginning till the end? Can you tell me that? I repeat. Who is there from the beginning till the end? Ravi, right? Good. Yes, it's Ravi. Now, do we know how many days is Ravi working? We don't know. So we will say that Ravi is working for R number of days. We don't know. So Ravi is working from R number of days. So Venkat leaves 3 days before of the work. So can I say Venkat would have worked R minus 3 days? Let's say if on 31st of March, the work is getting over. Work is getting over on 31st March. So on 31st, on 30th, and on 29th, Ravi was working alone. On 28th, it was Ravi and Venkat. Did you understand, people? Did you understand? And the work got over, that's why equal to 1. Now, how many of you want me to repeat this equation? Sushmita, is that clear? Afreen? How many of you want me to repeat this equation? We will solve this question little later, but let me see. Anybody? Nobody? Can you hear me, people? I cannot hear you. 2 participants raised hand. It means they can hear me. Audible? Okay. All right. So even I was not getting your message. So yes, you are audible. Thank you. Okay. So what will be the answer for this one? I don't know what is happening. If I'm pressing something, something else is getting done. Okay. Again, the same thing is happening. Fine. So answer is 7. 2 by 10 is 1 by 5. I'm confused. Why, Pranajiva? Simple. This is 1 by 5. I'll explain again. So, or else this is 1 by 5 plus, what was that? 10 earlier, right? So let it be 10. 2 by 10 plus r minus 3 by 12 plus r by 15 into 4, because LCM will be 60, into 5, or else let's substitute the option. Instead of doing this, I should get equal to 1. So this is 1 by 5. If I take 6 minus 3, if I take r is equal to 5, if I take r is equal to 5, 5 minus 3 is 2 by 12 plus 5 by 15. So this is 1 by 3 and this is 1 by 6. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. LCM will be 30. No, this is the same way. So better to calculate only, because you have to solve it here also. D is the answer. Let's check D. D is 1 by 5 plus 7 minus 3 is 4 by 12, which is 1 by 3. And 7 by 15 is very bad number. 5, 3, 15. 15 is the LCM. 3 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 1. Yes, that's the answer. I'll suggest go with multiplication only. 2 by 10 plus r by 3, r minus 3 by 12 plus r by 15 is equal to 1. Into 6, into 5, into 4, into 5, into 6. So 12 plus 5r minus 15 plus 4r is equal to 60. Better solve this one. This is easy. 12 minus 15. 12 minus 15 is minus 3. Minus 3 will go that side. 9r is equal to 63. R is equal to 7. This would be better. R is equal to 7. Yes. And now tell me, Pranajiva, what you want me to explain again. Ignore this part. Clear now? Is that clear to everyone? Yes, no? Done, 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 done. Jennifer, is that clear? Wonder, long time no reply. David, Emmanuel, Alex, Tasnia, Patience, Utala. Okay, all right, fine. Go for this one. Binay, just make the equation. Whoever is working till last, let's say that is X, and whoever is leaving before, right? So we will do X minus that, and leaving after. So if it is leaves after, we directly write that number. Had it been given leave after 3 days, I would have written 3 by 10. But if it is written 3 days before, I will subtract it from the total. Okay, fine, Binay. I think in this one you will understand. Just let's look at one more. 36, 54, 72. LCM is bad. LCM is how to solve. This is just, let's do it together. Okay, let's not do it. We are not doing it this method, because it is again saying A left 8 days before the completion of the work, while B left 12 days before the completion. So whenever before or after is there, we will take 1 by 36 plus 1 by 54 plus 1 by 72. Who is working from the beginning till the end? Who is working from the beginning till the end? C. So let's say C is working for C days. Now, so what should I write at the place of 1, this one, above 36? What should I write? A left 8 days before the completion. So what should I write? Anyone? Minus 8. So this will be minus 8. C minus 8. Right? C minus 8. Because if, let's say, work is getting over in 30 days, if C is equal to 30, then A would be working for 22 days, because 8 days before A left. When work got completed, A left 8 days before. Bina, is that clear now? Bina, is that clear? Yes, and this will be C minus 12. All right. All of you got it now? And this equals to what? As the work is getting completed, this will be equal to 1. Take a screenshot of this and solve this question. Take a screenshot and solve this question. As of now, I'm moving to another question. Have you taken screenshot? If you have taken screenshot, type S. It's not ES, it's screenshot S. Okay, everyone, I hope you can do it, right? Now 36, 54, 72 LCM will be bad. So one thing you can do is 9 into 4, 9 into 6, 9 into 8. So you can take 1 by 9 common, and this will be C minus 8 by 4 plus C minus 12 by 6 plus C minus 12 by, no, not 12, plus C by 8. And this is equal to 1. Now you can solve this. 216, yeah. All right. Okay, fine. Let's move to the next one. Come on, let's try this one. Right, Isaac. That's clear. Mahmudul, long time no see. So, Sheikh, it's okay if you cannot send. It's okay. I hope you are understanding. That's important. Anupa, I hope you are understanding. Ronnie and Sandali. I hope it's getting clear. 400 is the answer. Okay. So A alone can do a piece of work in 6 days. B alone can do it in 8 days. A and B do it for 3,200. With the help of C, they completed the work in 3 days. So if I see A, B, C, I don't know, but A plus B plus C will be 3 days. This is 6, this is 8, this I don't know. 6, 8, 3, LCM is 24. This will be 4 unit per day. This will be 3 unit per day. This I don't know. And this will be 8 units per day. 24 by 3, 8 units, right? So what will be C equals to? 4 plus 3 plus C is equal to 8. So C is equal to what? What will be C equals to? Come on, come on, come on. 1 unit per day. Okay. Now people understand one thing. See, whenever you are getting paid, is paid according to your efficiency. Let's say if a person who has a good efficiency, that person will finish the work in 1 day, and then second day that person will look for another work. So in that case, the person will get paid more, right? When I look at, it will not be the payment doesn't depend on the number of days. The payment depends on the efficiency. So A is to B is to C. What is their efficiency? 4 is to 3 is to 1. All right, this is their efficiency. So they were paid how much part? Undertook for 3,200. So whose rate they are asking? C's rate. So C's rate will be 1 by 4 plus 3 plus 1. So 1 part out of 8th part of what? 3,200. Yes, the answer is 400. 400 is the answer. All right, Mahmudul, no problem. I hope it's clear. Clear to everyone. Felix, is that clear? Tasnia, Srijita, Tamara, Alex. Repeat. Ronnie, so I hope this part is clear up to so far. Ronnie, 431 is clear, right? Can you reply? Congratulations, Sheikh. You can send the message here also on Zoom now. So 1 is clear. So now if I look at the ratio of A, B, and C, So A is doing 4 units, B is doing 3 units. It means that C is doing 1 unit. When A will be doing 8 units, like I multiply by 2 everywhere. So when A is doing 8 units, B will be doing 6 units, C will be doing 2 units, but that is not needed. As of now, I'll just take 4, 3, 1. I'm taking ratio part. So C's part is 1 out of 4 plus 3 plus 1. C will get paid for one part out of how many parts? Out of 4 plus 3 plus 1. Right? One part of 1. So he will get 1/8 of what? Of 3200. All right, Rama? You go through that ratio proportion class, you will understand that. Okay? Done? Clear? Okay. 1 minute. We'll come to those two questions a little later. Okay. Fine, let's solve this question. This is a puzzle. I'll tell you Tasfia. I'll tell you which website I'm using. But I have taken question from so many places, but I'll tell you at the end. Okay. Anyone got the answer for this one? $31. So there is a greasy pole of 95 meter. Monkey can climb up 5 meter up in 1 minute, but second meter falls down. 31.66. Option is not there. Vinay 30. Okay, can you tell me the answer of this one? There is a greasy pole of 10 meter. A monkey can climb up 3 meter up in 1 minute, but second minute fall down by 1 meter. In what time will monkey be able to climb the pole? Your answer is 15 minute, 14 minute, 18 minute, 20 minutes. Minutes, it's not units, sorry. Okay, nearly 60. Tell me the answer of this question. Anyone? There is a greasy pole of height 10 meter. A monkey can climb 3 meter up in 1 minute, but second minute falls down by 1 meter. 1 meter. In what time will monkey be able to, excuse me, will monkey be able to climb up the pole? That's the question. 10 minutes. Okay, that option is not the Robin. 5 minute option is not there, RK. 20 minutes, Sandali. Okay, so you are doing in this way. 14 minute. Okay, Flywell. 20 minutes, Ronnie. All right. Okay, look at this, people. Look at this. Understand. Very easy way. Very easy way. Any question you can do after this. Just understand the concept first. This is 10 meter pole. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 meter pole. All right. Now it's so difficult for me to draw a line. Okay. Now I cannot ignore this. Okay, fine. Ignore this is 0. Now, for the first 3 meter, monkey is going up. 1, 2, 3. First minute it will go up, but second minute falls down by 1 meter. So essentially, it is covering 2 meter in 2 minutes. Agree? 2 meters in 2 minutes. Yes, no? Yes. So 10 meters in how many minutes? 20 minutes. But this is wrong. Why? Because monkey's intention is not going up and down. Monkey's intention is to reach at the top of the pole. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now think about it. Once monkey has done this up and down process till this 7 meter, if he is at this point 7 meter, and if it takes a leap of 3 meter, if it takes a leap of 3 meter, monkey will be at the top of the pole. Do you agree? If monkey will take another one leap of 3 meter, monkey will be at the top of the pole, right? So instead of this, what we need to do, 2 meters, 2 minutes, 7 meters, how many minutes? How many minutes for 7 meter? 2 meters, 2 minutes, 7 meters, how many minutes? 7 minutes or 14 minutes? 2 meters in 2 minutes. So the answer will be 2. Okay, so this has to be 2 meter down. Fine, there was a problem. 3 meter up in 1 minute, but second minute fall down by 2 meter. So if it is falling down by 2 meter, it means that 1 meter in 2 minutes, 1 meter in 2 minutes, 7 meter will be in 14 minutes. If 7 meter is 14 minutes, so till 14 minute he will be here, monkey will be here, plus 1 more minute where it will take extra leap of 10 meter. Or if you're not saying that way, if you just want to take 2 meters in 2 minutes, 7 meter will be in 7 minutes, then 7 plus 1, 8 minute would be your answer. That is also correct. Right, but in that case, if everywhere it is reaching by 2 meter, then he will not reach at 7 meter anywhere. Okay, so then the question will not be correct. Okay, I'll explain to you quickly now how to do it in an easy way. What you need to do, this is plus work and this is minus work. Falling down means minus, going up is plus. So whatever the time is given, 10, whatever, not time, whatever the length is given, actual length, 10 minus 3, just reduce the last leap, reduce the last leap. So 10 minus 3, it means that 7 meter. So monkey will do up and down by this 7 meter. Now going plus 3 minus 2, it means that 1 meter in how many minutes? 2 minutes. If 1 meter in 2 minutes, 7 meter will be in 14 minutes. 14 plus 1 minute, because in 1 minute it will take 3 meter leap. So your answer will be what? 15 minutes. All right, the answer is 15 minutes. Now, how to solve this question? How to solve this question? The one which we are doing. Oh, what is the height of the pole given to us? What is the height of the pole given to us? Can anyone type in? No, no. In this question now, actual question. What is the height of the pole given? 95. 5 meter up is positive work and 2 meter down is negative work. 2 meter down is negative work. So this is plus 5 and this is minus 2, right? So now from 95, first of all, you subtract this 5, last part. Leave the space for this 5 meter jump. This is 95. So this is 90. Once the monkey is at 90, it will take a leap of 5 meter, will go up. So for 90 minutes, it will do up and down. So plus 5 minus 2 is equal to plus 3. So 3 in how many minutes? 2 minutes. 3 meters in 2 minutes. 90 meter will be in how many minutes? 60 minutes. So 60 minutes this plus 1 minute. So your answer will be what? 61 minute. I hope that's clear. No, Sheikh, answer will be 31. Sorry, answer is 61. Because 3 meter in 2 minutes. First minute he will go up 5 meter and second minute he will come down by 2 meter. I hope it's clear. Felix? Okay, I'll repeat. Let's solve one more question. Let's solve one more question. It's just a 3-step question. Okay, just a 3-step method you need to follow. Whatever the length of the pole is given, right? Subtract the positive leap. So if the length of the pole is 105, right? Not 105. If the length of the pole is 125, all right, Felix and Flyvel, if the length of the pole is 125, so I'll subtract this 5. So if this is 125, I'll subtract 5. So this will be 120. So till 120 meter, monkey will do up and down. Once it reaches at 120, it will take a positive leap of 5 meter. Now 120 plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2 will give you what? 3. So 3 meter, it is covering in 2 minutes. So if it is 0 here, 5 meter it will go up, 2 meter it will come down. So from the 0, 1, 2, 3 meter it will cover. 4, 5, 5 it will go up, 2 meter will come down. So it is 3 meter covering in how many minutes? 2 minutes. So 120 meter in how many minutes? 3 into 40, 2 into 40. So 80 minutes. So this 80 plus another 1 minute. Just we need to add 1 at the end. So 80 plus 1, 81 would be your answer. Find Flyvel now. Okay. Felix, I hope that's clear. Pipe filling method in the question. You can use, but this is simpler. It's very simple one. Plus minus you know already, right? Okay, so Nitesh, in that pipe filling method, we don't know whether the pipe is getting full or not, but this is monkey question. It is on a similar line actually. So yeah, can be done that way also, can be done. But I don't know whether you will get answer or not. Okay, you might not get answer because here we know the length of the pole, Nitesh. That's one thing. Okay. All right. Can you answer this question now? Binay, people on YouTube need your help. Today you did not do your ritual. Today you did not go to YouTube and mention meeting ID and password. Oh, you have done in starting? Okay. Can you do it now also so that it would be helpful for Kyalo, if you don't mind? Or if you have mind to mind, then don't do. If you don't have mind to mind, do it, please. Thank you. Okay, got the answer? So again, I'll say use this one, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. After 4 minutes, pipe A is turned off. So this is 4. And the this is over. So what it will be? 1520 LCM is 60. 4, 4, 16 plus 20 into 3, 3b is equal to 1. So 3b is equal to 60 minus 16. 60 minus 16 is 10, 50, and 46. 46 or 44? 44. This is 44. So B is equal to 44 by 3. 44 by 3 minutes, right? So I think answer is 14 minute 20 second, 40 seconds. 44 by 3 can be written as 14 2 by 3. Yes, answer is D. 14 2 by 3. This is the answer. All right. So the question which I have taken is from this website, people, sawal.com. This is one more website which I use for question. Another website is www.careerbless.com, which I have already told you. Okay, let me write in national handwriting, careerbless.com. And one more is www.indiabix.com. Okay, all right, fine, tough. Okay, try solving this question. Oh, Afreen, I did this now. Relax. Come on, people, this question. For this also answer is D? No, right? So I'll say that B is the answer. A and B. A can fill a tank in 10 minutes. B can empty it in 6 minutes. 10, 6 LCM is 60. So this is 6. It's to empty or to fill? This will fill 6 liter in 1 minute. And this will empty 10 liter in 1 minute. So it will get fill or it will get empty. 30 is the LCM. Okay, even if 30 is the LCM, the answer will be 3 and 5. Okay, fair enough. It will get fill or it will get emptied. Fill or emptied. It will get emptied. So these two options got eliminated. Right? Now, a water tank is 2/5 full. 2/5. So 2/5 of what? 2/5 of 30. 2/5 of 30. It means that 12 liter. Okay. So there is out of 30 liter, 12 liter water is there. Now what? Plus 3 minus 5 will give you what? Plus 3 minus 5. This is you're filling plus 3, but you're emptying minus 5, which means that minus 2 liter is getting emptied every time. So 2 liter is getting emptied in 1 minute. So 12 liter will get empty it in how many minutes? Answer is 6 minutes. 6 minutes is the answer. 6 minutes to empty. Right. 6 minutes will getting empty in 6 minutes. Yes, answer is 6 minutes to empty. Is that clear? All of you? Then we'll move to the next one. Done, 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 done. Repeat. Tasnia, you were not there yesterday, right? That's why. Okay, so if I'll just try to, there is some problem. I don't know why the chat window is not shifting. And the moment I shift, it's getting zoom. See again and again. Okay, so Tasnia, the thing is 10, A can fill it in 10, but B is emptying it in 6 minutes. So obviously when you see from the up, take 10 minutes to fill and take 6 minutes to empty. It means that empty rate is more. So 10 and 6 LCM is 30. 30 by 10 will give you 3. 30 by 6 will give you 5. As it is emptying, that's why minus 5. So plus 3 minus 5 is equal to minus 2 liter per minute. Minus 2, minus means emptying it. So 2 liter in 1 minute. Now water tank is 2/5 full. 2/5 of what? 2/5 of 30. So 2 by 5 of 30 will give you 12 liter. So 12 liter it will empty it in how many minutes? That's the question. Okay. Srijita done? Fine. We'll come to this question little later. What is this question about? Okay, let's solve this question, people. Where did that question go? Yeah, this question. Charles, I'm fast because this we have done yesterday. So if I'll not go with the speed, people, those who were there yesterday, will find it very boring and they will not be able to. They have done already. I am getting answer from them. That's why. So I'll just request you to go through the video which we have done yesterday. Maybe you will understand. And even I'll try to slow down my speed. How many of you want me to slow down my speed? Can you hear me, people? You cannot hear me. Okay. If you want me to if you want me to slow down my speed, write down slow speed, SS. A little bit. Okay, Srijita. Raj 12 is the answer. Okay. Oh my God. So many people are saying. Fine. And all these people were not there yesterday. I will slow down. But you can also try to increase the speed. It's not only about me slowing down. You also try to catch up. We will do it mutually. So two pipes P and Q can fill an empty tank in 25 and 20 hours. So 1 by P plus 1 by Q I'll see. So this will be 1 by 20. Very nice flywheel. So flywheel I've written slow down the speed will be inversely to work covered. Slow down the speed will be inversely proportional to the content cover. So now you decide. Or like I must say, slow down speed will be inversely proportional to the questions covered. So 1 by 20 pipe R alone can empty. It means that negative work. So R is doing negative work. So 1 by 50. I hope so far it is clear to everyone. 1 by 25 plus 1 by 20 minus 1 by 50. All right. Firstly, both the pipes P and Q are open, and after 8 hours, pipe R is also open. So which pipe is working from the beginning till the end? Which pipes are working from beginning till the end? Which pipes are working from the beginning till the end? People, question. Which pipes are working from the beginning till the end? It is P and Q. And do I know the time? Do I know in hours what it will be? No, right? So I'll take X hours, X hours. P is working for X, Q is also working for X hour. What should I write for R? What should I write for R? Because after 8 hours, pipe R was open. What should I write? Felix, are you clear? Would it be only 8? After 8 hours. So if this pipe are working, P and Q are working for, okay, understand Binay. If P and Q are working for 12 hours, so R would work for 4 hours. If P and Q are working for 20 hours, then R will work for 12 hours. So what is this 12? This is 20 minus 8. This is what? 12 minus 8, right? So I should write what? I should write X minus 8. Felix, I hope it is clear. Srijita, I hope it's clear. Binay, I hope it's clear. And the tank is full, so equal to 1. Okay. Tank is full, so equal to 1. 25, 20, 50, LCM is 100. So this will be 4x plus 5x minus 2x minus minus plus 16 is equal to 100. Solve this equation. You will get to what? 100 minus 16 is equal to 84, and 4 plus 5 is 9 minus 2, 7x. X is equal to 12 hours. So what will be the total time taken for to fill the tank completely? 12 hours is the answer. Okay. Is that clear? Binay, Felix, is that clear? Yes, no, no, yes, yes, no, no, yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, okay. Clear to everyone? Done? Fine. So we'll solve one last question. This we will do it later. This is not needed. This is okay. Okay. One last question will solve, people. I think this is the one question. Fine, this is one different type of question. Let's do it. Chalo, finally you are here. Okay. Where did I get 16? I am unable to understand memory. For which question are you talking? So this question should not come in the exam, but I'll just tell you how to solve this question. 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. So 4 men and means plus. 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. So the 1 day work will be 1 by 8. While 3 men and 7 women, 3 men and 7 women can do it in how many days? 1 by 10 days. All right. So in how many days 10 women will complete? So there is no shortcut I found so far for this type of question. What I do, I directly solve this equation. I haven't seen these questions in the exam also, but I'm just sharing it with you people. In case if such type of question comes, solve the equation. We need 10 women. So you can ignore, you can make this part as common. So multiply by 3, multiply by 4. You will get what? 12m plus 18 women is equal to 3 by 8. And this will be 12m plus 4 into 7, 28 women is equal to 4 by 10. So this is 1, this is 2. This will get cancelled. 2 minus 1 you do. 2 minus 1 you do. 28 minus 18 will be 10w is equal to 4 by 10 minus 3 by 8. LCM is 40. 10 into 4, 16 minus 15. So 1 by 40. It means that your answer will be what? 40. This will be 1 by 40. 10 women, 1 day work is 1 by 40. So total time taken is 40. Okay. All of you got it? Done or not done? Okay. So whenever such type of question comes, solve with the equation. Okay. 1 minute memory. I'll go to the previous question. Which previous question we have solved? I forgot. Which one was that? Which one was that? For previous question. From where did I get that 16? Which was the previous question? Not this one, not this one. Okay. So I think you were talking about this one. No, I took LCM of this memory, and then I got this 16. And if not this one, which question? So how I got this 16? Memory, I have taken 100 as LCM. So 4 into 25 will give you 100, 20 into 5. So I multiplied 5 and 50 into 2. So this I multiplied by 2. Okay. So that's where you will get the answer. All right. Fine. So I hope it is clear, people. Yes, no. There are few more questions. So tomorrow we will do recap of like many chapters. Tomorrow we will do recap of whatever we have done, percentages, profit and loss, time, speed, time and work. All right. Thank you, Binay. All right. So that's it for today. We'll close it for a while. Not for a while, for up till tomorrow. Okay. So do practice all topics. If you want, I can take all topics question also, some here and there. Okay, we'll do that. So tomorrow is the revision class for all the questions. Sorry, not all the questions, whatever topic we have done so far. Do you have any topics in the mind which you want to discuss? Anyone? Averages, okay, fly well. I'll note it down. What else? What else other wants to? Whoever tell me that, okay, this is the topic which we want to discuss, I'll take questions from those topics. So average one question, okay. Verbal ability, not my cup of tea, Ravin. Ratio and proportion, okay. Take ratio and proportion, and profit and loss and discount, okay. Percentages, okay. I hope you people understood my question, right? I am thinking that you took my question as if like what all topics we have done so far. That was not my question. My question was from what all topics I should take the questions. Can you please share the email where we can ask question once again? So my email ID is Sol set IND 2-3 years ago. Will that common for the next INDs? Yeah, Sheikh, almost. So this is for everyone. My email ID, doubts, DOUBTS, doubts for Sonal @gmail.com. This is not doubting me one doubt. Thank you, Binay. That's actual doubts which you get in your questions. It's that doubts for Sonal @gmail.com. Okay. All right. So you can send it. Yeah, Sheikh. I should also have that. When it's connected through my GPay, and when somebody read my email ID, like they are like, we do have doubt on you. They're like, it's not that doubt, man. Okay, all right. So I have noted down 4 topics so far: averages, ratio and proportion, percentages and loss, percentages, not percentages, law, profit and loss. All right. So yeah, Anupa, I will take those discount questions also. Fine. So let's wind up now. So I'm signing off. You also sign off. You two take care. I'll also take care. Okay. We will take our good care. Fine. Okay, bye-bye. All right, Brian.